first time trying cheese balls. But this is not cheese balls. This is cheese.
Cheese dumpling.
Oh yeah. This is a dumpling because we use this ingredient. Maybe I'll hold it because maybe you fall again. And I say, I got you guys. They did this. That's cheese.
Grabe ang bukas sa tiyan. I'm full. I'm full. How about you?
Not yet. I'm eating this one. Ah.
Oh. So vlog. Sprunky, where are you?
Sprunky!
The PG dog. The PG dog.
Sprunky is the picky eater.
The piggy, no, he is not a picky eater. He is a PG.
What is a PG?
PG dog. Patay gutom dog. He is a PG dog.
Patay gutom?
Yeah. Patay gutom dog. Sabi mo na natin, mamaya na natin lutuin tong another batch.
One minute.
I think we need,
Excuse me.
I think, lagyan na natin itong flour.
Thank you guys. Bye.